Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate analytics reporting with Data Studio step by step clearly. Start by opening Google Data Studio in your web browser. Sign in with your Google account if you aren't already logged in. Click on the blank report option to create a new report. In the top left corner, click on the Add Data option. Choose the data source you want to connect to, such as Google Analytics or Google Sheets. If necessary, click on Create New Data Source to set up a new connection. Follow the prompts to authorize and select the relevant data you wish to include. After selecting your data source, click on the Add to Report button. Now, customize your report title by clicking on Untitled Report at the top. Design your report layout by dragging and dropping charts and tables from the right panel. To add charts, click on the Chart option and select the type of chart that suits your data. Once you add a chart, configure its settings in the right panel to reflect the data you wish to display. Use the Date Range feature to allow for dynamic reporting over different time periods. Integrate filters to let users interact with the data and adjust views as needed. You can also add scorecards to highlight key metrics at a glance. After designing your report, click on Share in the upper right corner to set sharing permissions. You can choose to share the report with specific people or generate a public link for wider access. To automate your reporting, navigate to the Schedule Email Delivery option. Set the frequency of email reports, selecting options like daily, weekly, or monthly. Fill in the recipient details and customize the email message. Finally, save your report in your scheduling settings to ensure automation is active. Review your report periodically to make adjustments based on evolving data needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.